going on, y'all? Starting off today at a skate park. You can see these guys behind us just going to town on these things. It's a lot more energy than I have. Cool thing about this place is there's a river right over here. Let's get over to the river. I'm gonna do something a little different today. Got 3 rods with me. It's been, oh God, years and years since I fished this river. It's not super deep. It's not super wide. I always call it the creek. It's not too far away from where I live. But we'll go see if we can pull some smallies and rock bass out. Down here with a buddy of mine. Bill's rigging up his stuff right now. And we're gonna go get it wet and see if we can't keep it bent. Let's see what we got.
Shut up and sit down.
All right, y'all, we're trying to find a way down to the water without breaking our neck. Get these huge rocks. Yeah, I mean, if you climb on a couple of rocks, you'll be all right. Just don't get snake bit. See if we can't break an ankle. Woohoo, we made it. I forgot to put on my river shoes. It is 90 degrees outside today, y'all. I'm gonna start off with this white bandito bug. See if I can't get something on it. I got 2 other rods with me. Bill's in the tree branch already. Hey, water's that way. The water's that way. Try to get it over there on the backside of that log. Oh, I hung up on a branch. I think it's a shallow enough I can go over and get her loose. This water's crystal clear. I expected it to be muddier than this. I guess not. Let's get her gear button back up, back on her back, and head on up the river. I just got this new backpack because the video where y'all saw I flipped my kayak, everything in my dry bag was soaked. You good, man? You good?
Yeah. I started sinking in the middle.
Did you?
Yeah.
Y'all, this is Bill. Welcome to the channel, Bill. Bill's got a little Z-Man net on there. Hopefully one of us start catching something. I'm about to just go out in the middle and sit down. It's hot.
Yeah, you don't like that. That don't stay up like the others. But,
I mean, you always have to make your worm straighter than you are, Bill.
yeah. They don't stay up like the others. But.
Not yet. I gotta retie this. I keep getting wrapped around that eyelet that I missed. There we go. That's what I'm looking for.
Feel like home?
Yes. Well, we say we go up around the bend.
Yeah, we'll get past where we're at right now. Check over by that swing. A little bit.
Get my stuff back in my bag. Oh, it looks good.
Yeah.
That's what I'm hoping. This thing.
We got that like Texas rig?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
On a net hook?
Yeah. That's how it's made.
Nice.
That's what I asked if you had the EWGs.
No, I have a long one in my truck though.
If
like
you,
the Venom long ones.
Yeah.
That comes with them chartreuse.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a good day.
You too.
Ugh. I just missed one. We need to get up to Mount Vernon.
Yeah, we can do that, dude.
You gonna get in a kayak?
Huh?
Are you gonna get in a kayak?
Either a kayak or the little Pelican boat with the trolling motor.
Oh, you got one of those?
My cousin does up there.
Oh, cool.
The bike's really been messed up here lately.
Oh no.
Let me video you on the swing.
No. No.
That'd be awesome, dude.
I am not doing that.
Would you sell your bike?
No, I still got 2 or 3 of them actually.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. You ever heard of the Soul Lunar Calendar?
The who?
It's called Soul Lunar Calendar.
Soul?
SOLLUNAR calendar.
Yeah, I have it.
Check it out when you go home. But it will tell you the best days to hunt or fish.
You heard the thing? If the cows are laying down, the fish won't lay.
Never heard that.
And then, like, if you see deer and shit running,
Yeah.
on your way fishing, the fisher is supposedly going to be a good day.
Huh. The moon dictates how all these animals eat. I'm gonna walk up here by this opening here and I'm trying not to bust the fishing hole. I'm trying not to bust up the fishing hole. Cooled off now. Cooled off now. I don't even know what this thing is, but try to cut it off there. Oh, it's in there good. Oh crap, there goes my dipping glow. See that jar floating down the river?
What is it?
It's
You want it?
yeah, I gotta get it. It's deep over there.
Still trying to get it out with my rod.
Woo, this is deep. Holy crap. I think I lost a can of chew somewhere too, but no, everything floated out of my pocket.
Head on down down.
Yeah. All right, y'all. I've been swimming. I've been snagged. Ain't caught no fish. It's time. He's hooked up. Get it, Bill. Oh, that's a nice one. Nice. My pole's coming apart.
That is, isn't it?
No, that's a small jaw.
Huh?
That's a small jaw. Oh, yeah, smallmouth. He
give
broke
my
your
hook.
line, didn't he?
Yeah, give me my f***ing hook.
That's nice, smallie. He's nice. There you go, folks. Your boy didn't catch him, but Bill did. Can I release your fish?
Yeah, I know, bro.
Get on out of here.
Put him back to something else to catch. Dude, I'm so happy.
If I could get this untangled. Got one? Nice. He let go?
Yeah.
Well, y'all, your boy sucks at fishing. I went swimming. Well, Dollar Bill over here caught a bat, or caught a smallmouth, but I did not. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm sitting here watching these people at the skate park. These people they're a lot braver than I am. Although when I was that age, I would have been out there doing the same stuff and tearing myself up just as bad. But we're gonna get back down here to the river soon. There's a whole stretch of river that runs through this town. I just got to talk Bill into getting in the water. He's worried them leeches is gonna get him. But there's a lot deeper holes down here. Like I said, I hadn't been down here in years, and today just wasn't the day. There wasn't a whole lot of deep holes down here. I know there's some deeper holes on upriver, and we'll get to them. But y'all get out there and get it wet, keep it bent. Get the hell out of my fishing spot. Later.